So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called Fetti, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for Fetti, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use Fetti with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with Fetti completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. This gig worker had her account hacked recently. And there are many reports of gig workers getting their accounts hacked, including myself. Somebody hacked into my Uber driver account, changed my email, and changed my password. So I couldn't even log in. They somehow hacked in and they go, oh, we're gonna change your password. And then I tried to call up Uber and they were like, oh, we'll fix it for you. And I had to go on hold. They transferred me to 5-6 different people. And they said, oh yeah, we're fixing it. And then they're like, just look out for a message from us. I waited a couple hours, nothing. I checked, nothing changed. I had to call back Uber again, on hold again for another couple hours. And yeah, I don't know. I think I can still go into my account, but it's there's still somebody else's email on there.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, and somebody else's phone number too. I'm like, Uber now they see my home, my home address is on there, my payment info's on there. You can't see all the numbers on my payment info, but you can see the last 4 digits. Yeah. You know what I mean? They still have access to all my information. I'm like, Uber's a joke. They don't care. Their security is so bad.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at this. Oh, and then I try to create another account. They told me, oh, just use a new email, and I did it, and then I was like, oh, deactivate it for having 2 accounts.
Wow.
So it was Uber just sucks. Uber support is so bad. Okay, anyways, do you want to read this one?
Yeah. So, Marivet Primera had worked as a DoorDash delivery driver for several years, no issues, until she received a message from the company in February saying her password had been changed.
Yep, pretty much like me.
Yeah, so she was now locked out of her account. Scams like these are slowly becoming more prevalent and often happen when a criminal doesn't have their own social security number or can't meet other employment criteria.
Oh, so they're saying someone used her account?
Oh, to drive?
Yeah.
Interesting. So, if you're wondering how someone was able to log into her account, even though she said she didn't give anyone her password, she said she's unsure how it happened.
Yeah, I'm the same way. When I made a video, people were like, oh, you clicked on a fake email. And I'm like, no, I did not. I had no emails. Uber, on all these gig apps, well, I guess DoorDash and Uber. And I've never had a problem with Lyft. But Uber, I've had so many issues with my account. I honestly think Uber just sells our information and people just hack in, and it's super easy to log in.
Yeah.
I don't recommend, if you are picky about having your data leaked, don't be an Uber driver. Your data will be leaked. They're going to steal your passwords. They're logging in. They're probably stealing your money. There's so many drivers who are yeah, my funds just disappeared out of nowhere because people just hacked in and took their funds out. And then that's why people do daily cash out, which you have to pay to cash out your money. But it's that's the only way that you can ensure that somebody's not going to steal your money. So basically paying another fee just so you can get access to your own money.
Literally.
So dumb. So anyways, that's that.
Yeah. And people could do a SIM swap.
Oh.
We get a 2-step verification code sent to the number.
Yeah. Yeah, I've heard about that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, just be really careful, guys.
And again, big shout out to Fetti, the new company that is gonna help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for Fetti and they're gonna help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.